Hi guys, welcome to Days in My Life vlogs. No. Hi guys, welcome to Days in My Life vlog. Got it. We are eating, guys. We're eating rice and stew. This tastes so good. Like, I don't know if it's in my mouth. I feel my husband's stew tastes better than mine. Yeah, I married someone who can cook. Not all food though, but yes, he can cook. So this morning, today is Sunday, and I woke up late. I didn't go to church. I didn't even know that today was Sunday. Like, I was confused when I woke up, and my husband was asking if we'll be going to church, and it was about to rain. I was like, church? I didn't even know that today was church. I didn't know that today was Sunday. But I woke up late. What I did was, do some cleaning, clean the bathroom, do some laundry, boiled rice that I was going to eat. And yes, we are eating. It's 2:18 already. So after this, after eating, I want to select beans so that when I want to cook, it will be easier for me. That was what I learned from my mom. My mom usually do that. She just, is this select beans? What's the right English to use? Is this select beans? I don't think it's select beans. Pig beans. Is it pig beans? Yeah, whichever one. But you understand what I'm trying to say. So I'll be picking some beans. I'll be selecting some beans. I beg, which can pick it. I'll be selecting some beans, and so that when I want to cook, it will be easier for me. Just take the measurement that I want and cook. That's what I usually do. I just finished selecting the beans, and you guys, I'm tired. I didn't finish all of them though. I just did. This is what I was able to do. This one, and this one is remaining. So anytime I'm free, I will just finish it up. I just remembered that I need to edit a video. I need to do something actually. So that was why I just stopped, and I'm tired. So I stored it in an airtight container so that it will not be exposed to weevil. We're done. Hi guys, good morning. Today is Monday, and I'm just doing the dishes. My husband helped me out in doing most of the things this morning because I was updating my WhatsApp. I was doing some certain things there, so he helped me out. Marry a supportive man. So yes, that was literally great. So today I will be today I think I will go reweave my hair. Not yet sure about that. So I'm done bathing baby. I'm done taking care of her. I'm giving her food. So for breakfast we'll be having beans. The beans I selected yesterday. So yeah, that's what we have in this, and maybe half or custard. So in here we have the beans. Then I added ripe plantain to it, pepper, salt. I'll be adding crayfish right now. I won't be adding any seasoning because I have ripe plantain in there. I don't want it to be too sweet, so yeah. But I'll be adding the crayfish, and I've added onion already. After parboiling it, I just added onion to it and let it cook. You can still add onion if you love onion, like you want enough onion, you can still add onion. I've added onion already. Added the plantain. I'll be adding the crayfish. Be generous with your crayfish. If you're not adding any seasoning, be generous with your crayfish so that to taste good. So that's it for this food. So I'll be adding this crayfish now, and oil. That's it. Then turn and let it cook.
Good morning. Remove it from your mouth. Give me. It's comb. No, you don't put comb in your mouth. Sorry, ma. Mama, now come on, now why are you so? Guys, it's a beautiful morning, and as you guys can see, I didn't do my hair yesterday, so I think I'll be going to do that today. I won't be doing much today actually, so yeah. And I want to make my daughter's hair. I don't know how to go about it, but let me just loosen it first and wash it. So yes, this girl disturbed me last night. Like, I don't know what was wrong with that, but yeah. Am I trying to go? Say hi. Say hi. Hi.
This is literally corn. Corn. My daughter is talking to you guys.
Tuesday, my daughter woke up before me. She usually wakes up before me, so it's normal. And once she's awake, there is no sleep anymore. So I had a bad dream and I prayed against it this fateful day. As you guys can see, we ended up not doing the hair that we were supposed to do um the other day. So we'll be doing all of that. I was actually trying to tell you guys here that she disturbed me last night. Like, she woke up very, very early. So I had to wake up with her. So let's go straight into making her hair. I'll just be doing a simple hairstyle, just packing and the rest of that. So yeah.
You had a bad day today. You had a really bad day. You had a good day today. You had a really good day. It can be a wonderful life. It can be a really great life. It can be a beautiful life. It can be a really great life. So don't give up now. It can be a beautiful life. So don't give up now. It can be a beautiful life. Just take it one day at a time. We can take it one day at a time. Just take it one day at a time. We can take it one day at a time. So don't give up now. It can be a beautiful life. So don't give up now. It can be a beautiful life. It can be a wonderful life. It can be a really great life. It can be a beautiful life. It can be a really great life. So don't give up now. It can be a beautiful life. So don't give up now. It can be a beautiful life. It can be a wonderful life. It can be a really great life. It can be a beautiful